Hi, so this is the new Cat S61 smartphone. It's got 3 really awesome new features on it. So an upgraded thermal imaging experience. You see here all the people around at this event here in Barcelona. It's got an upgraded experience where you can shoot and measure thermal images from a temperature of -20 to +400 degrees Celsius. So an expanded thermal imaging range. Really, really powerful. You can also stream over Facebook Live and do a whole load of other new features. We love the fact that you can add movable spot meters into the frame on this and measure temperature live off the shot. It's a really awesome experience. We've also got some other cool things on this device, including an indoor air quality sensor. You can see here, now I've only just turned this device on very recently, but you can see the air quality in this particular room is pretty poor. That's detecting volatile organic compounds that are chemicals or air pollutants that come off things like solvents, come off things like paints. They're held by furniture and clothing and textiles, all these kind of things. So for the kind of worker that's picking up a Cat phone who may be working in an enclosed environment where a lot of air pollutants are in the air, this kind of data will give them lots of information about the kind of conditions that they're working in and give them a sense as to whether they need to improve the ventilation in the room by opening a window or perhaps turning on the air conditioning, all those kind of things. So another fantastic feature there. The third feature, and this is going to be a little bit difficult to demonstrate in this particular setting, but we have an indoor up to 10 meter estimation of distance, so laser assisted distance measurement. So you can see a laser is mounted on the back of this device. We use the camera on the device and the laser together. Essentially what happens is the camera here can detect the laser in the shot, and when I press the target button it'll take a measurement and estimate that. So that is pretty accurate given my height. I know that's right. So you see up here the measurement, about just over a meter, 1 meter 10 centimeters there. So this is fantastic if you're a tradesperson and perhaps you're working in an environment where you've got to measure and estimate an area where you need to repaint or retile a surface. So lots and lots of use cases. Maybe it's measuring a room, it's taking the size of something. When you haven't got a tape measure, you haven't got your tools with you. So those 3 phenomenal features of the Cat S61. Of course, the main thing about this though is it's a tough, robust, rugged device. So our leading rugged credentials on this product, it's mil-spec 810G, that's salt mist, highs, lows, extremes of temperature, all those kind of things. It's also IP68 waterproof and dustproof, and you can take this into water at depths of up to 3 meters for as long as an hour. On top of that, we've tested this for a 1.8 meter drop test, and it's got the latest Corning Gorilla Glass 5, a thick layer of that on the device with a die-cast aluminium frame around the outside and non-slip rubber coating on the back. So this is the Cat S61. It's a phenomenal new flagship in the range for Caterpillar, and we're really, really excited about this device.